graduating from college with two completely different futures. The first student gets a degree, a job, and a paycheck. Every month, almost every dollar disappears into rent, groceries, transportation, subscriptions, and bills. 5 years later, that student is still living paycheck to paycheck. The second student also graduates with the same degree. But during college, they learned one skill, built one small income stream, saved consistently, and invested little by little. 5 years later, they have savings, investments, multiple income sources, and the freedom to choose jobs instead of desperately needing one. The difference wasn't intelligence. The difference wasn't family wealth. The difference wasn't luck. The difference was having a roadmap. Today, I'm going to show you a simple roadmap that can take a student from $0 to the first $1,000, and more importantly, teach habits that can keep making money for years. This roadmap works whether you're in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, or almost anywhere else. Let's start with the biggest mistake students make. Most students think they need money before they can make money. That's completely backward. Money follows value. If you can solve a problem, help someone save time, make someone money, entertain people, or teach a useful skill, money starts flowing toward you. Think about a coffee shop. Customers don't pay because the owner already has money. Customers pay because they receive something valuable. The same principle works for students. Let's imagine two friends. Alex receives $50 from his parents every week. Emma receives the same amount. Alex spends everything on coffee, snacks, online shopping, and food delivery. By the end of the week, his balance is almost zero. Emma spends only what she truly needs. She saves a small amount every week and uses another part to learn a new skill online. After 6 months, Alex has memories. Emma has memories, new skills, savings, and opportunities. Neither student earned more money. One simply gave every dollar a job. That's your first step. Control your money before trying to grow it. Now, here's something many people never realize. Your first goal isn't making $1,000. Your first goal is learning how money works. Because once you understand money, earning the first $1,000 becomes much easier. Let's talk about skills. Imagine two students applying for the same part-time job. One says, "I'm hardworking." The other says, "I can edit videos, design graphics, write blog posts, build websites, manage social media, and use AI tools." Who gets hired first? The second student. Why? Because skills create opportunities. Think of skills as machines. Every new skill becomes another machine capable of producing income. One machine edits videos. Another writes content. Another designs logos. Another creates websites. The more machines you own, the more opportunities appear. And the amazing part? Today, you don't need thousands of dollars to learn these skills. Thousands of free videos, online courses, tutorials, and AI tools exist. A student with a laptop and internet has access to knowledge that millionaires didn't have 20 years ago. Here's another example. Imagine Sarah. She doesn't know anything about graphic design. Instead of saying, "I'm not talented," she spends 30 minutes every day learning. 30 minutes today. 30 minutes tomorrow. 30 minutes next week. After 90 days, she's creating logos. After 6 months, she's designing business cards. After 1 year, she's working with real clients. Her income didn't suddenly appear overnight. It grew because her skills grew. Now let's move to the next step. Stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like a creator. Consumers ask, "What can I buy?" Creators ask, "What can I build?" Consumers scroll social media for hours. Creators create videos. Consumers watch podcasts. Creators start podcasts. Consumers buy digital products. Creators sell digital products. This single mindset shift can completely change your financial future. Let's say you love photography. A consumer buys expensive camera equipment and posts random pictures. A creator learns composition, editing, and storytelling. Then sells stock photos. Creates presets. Starts a YouTube channel. Teaches beginners. Offers photo editing services. The same hobby becomes 5 income streams. Now let's discuss the first $100. Many students believe earning the first $100 is impossible. Actually, it's often the hardest milestone. Once you reach it, confidence replaces fear. Let's imagine James. He learns basic video editing. His first client pays him $20. Not much. But now something important has happened. He has proof. Someone paid him for his skill. The next client pays $40. The next pays $75. Then $100. Eventually $200. His confidence grows with every project. Remember this. Your first client isn't buying perfection. They're buying a solution. Don't wait until you're perfect. Improve while working. Now let's talk about budgeting. Most people think budgets are restrictive. Actually, budgets create freedom. Imagine driving across the country without a map. Would you reach your destination? Maybe. Maybe not. A budget is simply a map for your money. Every dollar receives a purpose before you spend it. Rent. Food. Transportation. Savings. Learning. Emergency fund. Entertainment. Without a plan, money disappears. With a plan, money starts working for you. Here's a simple example. You receive $300 this month. Instead of asking, "What should I buy?" ask, "What should this money accomplish?" Maybe $50 builds your emergency fund. Maybe $30 buys a course. Maybe $20 goes into investments. Now every dollar has a mission. Next, let's discuss debt. Not all debt is equal. Using a credit card to buy clothes you can't afford creates stress. Using money to learn a valuable skill that increases future income can create opportunity. Always ask one question before spending. Will this purchase make my future better or only make today more comfortable? That's a powerful question. Now let's move to networking. Many students underestimate relationships. Imagine 2 graduates. One sends applications online every day. The other also attends networking events, joins student communities, connects with professionals on LinkedIn, asks thoughtful questions, and stays in touch. Who hears about opportunities first? Usually the second student. People often hire people they know, trust, or remember. Networking doesn't mean collecting business cards. It means building genuine relationships. Help people. Support others. Share useful information. Be reliable. Those relationships often become future opportunities. Now let's discuss investing. Many students think investing is only for rich people. That's false. Investing is one habit that helps ordinary people slowly become wealthy. Imagine 2 friends. Both are 20 years old. One starts investing small amounts consistently. The other waits until 30. The first student gives time a 10-year advantage. Time is one of the greatest financial assets you'll ever own. Even small investments made consistently can grow over many years because of compound growth. Think about planting a tree. The best time was years ago. The second best time is today. The same idea applies to investing. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start learning. Start small. Stay consistent. Finally, let's talk about something more important than money. Character. Employers can teach software. Clients can explain projects. But honesty, discipline, reliability, curiosity, and consistency come from you. Imagine hiring someone. One person is incredibly talented but always misses deadlines. Another is slightly less experienced but always delivers on time, communicates clearly, and keeps promises. Which person would you hire again? Most people choose reliability. Your reputation becomes one of your greatest financial assets. Protect it. Every project you complete. Every promise you keep. Every client you respect. Every deadline you meet. You're building something invisible that becomes incredibly valuable over time. And here's the truth almost nobody tells students. The first $1,000 isn't really about the money. It's about becoming the kind of person capable of earning the next 10,000. Then 100,000. Then much more. Money comes and goes. Skills stay. Knowledge stays. Discipline stays. Your habits follow you everywhere. If you build the right habits while you're still a student, you'll have an enormous advantage over people who wait until they're 30 or 40 to start learning about money. So if you're starting from zero today, don't feel discouraged. Every successful entrepreneur, every successful investor, every successful freelancer, every successful business owner started exactly where you are now. With zero experience, zero clients, zero confidence, and one decision. To begin. The roadmap is simple. Learn valuable skills. Spend less than you earn. Save consistently. Create instead of only consuming. Build relationships. Keep learning. Invest in yourself before expecting the world to invest in you. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Stay curious. Because your first $1,000 won't change your life. But the person you become while earning that first $1,000 absolutely will.